Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Simple Replenishing Rich Moisturizer, and I'll also show you guys how to use it, and I'll let you guys know who this moisturizer is appropriate for. Because I mean, Simple product, they have various moisturizers, but this is a rich moisturizer. And whenever you hear rich moisturizer, you would know it's for people with dry skin, not necessarily people with oily skin. And people with dry skin will really benefit from it because it has a lot of properties that will help with the dryness. You know, it has 12-hour moisturization, it has the skin smoothing activities, and this also contains vitamin B5, vitamin E, and niacinamide. All these are antioxidants, and antioxidants are amazing on the skin. I'm going to be honest with you guys, like, yes, it contains these goodies, but not just enough. Do you understand? It's there, but it's not like you can't compare the quantity to what you have in your serum, so you cannot rely on the niacinamide content in this, you know, alone. I just thought I'd throw that in. And it has no colors, no perfumes, no harsh chemicals that can upset the skin. So now I'm going to show you guys how to use this moisturizer. So you want to wash your face first, you want to cleanse your face, and if you've got really dry skin, ensure your cleanser is hydrating and not stripping, you know, because I mean, you don't want to cause your face to dry out further. So after washing your face, you blot it, and then you can use your toners if you want. Otherwise, just, you know, dry your face. So I have washed my face and I've used my toner just to prep my face, just because I like my toners. Then now what I'm going to do is to put some on my palm. Remember to use, I mean, not too much, just little goes a long way because this is super rich. And you want to apply this on your face. You know, make sure you cover your entire face, and of course not forgetting your neck, because your neck needs that TLC. Just basically take your time, cover your entire face. That's how you want to use the moisturizer, and the remaining I like to use it behind my hands. So that's how you want to use this moisturizer. And you know what I really like about this moisturizer is that the affordability is super affordable. So if you've got, you know, oily skin, acne prone skin, go for their light moisturizer, lightweight moisturizer. You see it written, so don't, you know, mistaking it for this one. And then if you've got dry skin, you go for this rich moisturizer. Or if for some reason your face is, you know, flaky, go for this. And this is absolutely, like I said, I keep hammering it, this is absolutely affordable. That is why I love it, and it's almost everywhere, like almost in all the drugstores. Yes, it's almost in all the drugstores, even the supermarkets as well. It is readily available. It's dermatologically tested, and it is non-comedogenic, meaning that it won't clog your pores, it won't cause you to break out and everything. It doesn't contain any harsh chemicals. It is not tested on animals, and it's suitable for vegans, and most especially it's suitable for people with sensitive skin. And this can absolutely be used twice a day, so it can be used in the morning and it can be used at night time. I hope you guys found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below, and if you've got any other, you know, video suggestions, do let me know in the comment sections as well. And with all that being said, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.